Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the DSPAIES Siren and verifying firmware. This avoids unexpected behavior. Plug the USB-C cable into a stable 12V supply, then pair via Bluetooth. Use the phone settings to confirm connection. Once paired, open the DSPAIES app or web interface so you can push configuration live. Make sure location and Bluetooth permissions remain granted, because the siren uses both for range and safety checks. Don't skip firmware confirmation. It prevents compatibility issues later. Now you configure the actual signals. You choose a profile, alert, evacuate, or custom, because each maps to different priorities and durations. Once selected, set volume, pattern length, and repeat interval in seconds. Higher volume and longer patterns consume more power, so balance coverage vs runtime. Then assign triggers, schedule for timed tests, sensor input for automated activation, or remote command for manual control. After wiring triggers, simulate an activation to confirm the pattern and timing behave as expected. Finish by mounting the siren at 2 to 3 meters height, pointing it clear of walls and obstructions so sound disperses evenly. Once mounted, run a full test for 30 to 60 seconds and walk the coverage area to verify audibility. If the siren doesn't sound, troubleshoot methodically. First confirm 12V power and USB connection, then repair Bluetooth, check firmware version, and inspect trigger wiring or app permissions. If intermittent, swap cables and repeat a controlled activation to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.